Jay, what else are we going to do?
We're going to eat.
Did you hear my mom?
We got Colin in the house. And Nate. Where are we going, boys?
To snow!
What are you gonna do in the snow?
Play! Eat it!
You gonna eat it?
No, don't eat it! Don't eat it!
Don't eat the yellow snow.
Yeah, don't eat the white snow.
Don't eat the... What, you wanna eat the yellow snow?
No. No, it's
No. I think we made it to the top. Are we at the top of the mountain?
Yeah.
There's James. You have fun?
Asia, are you having fun?
Woo! You having fun, Nate?
Yeah.
I can tell. Here's Colin. Woo!
I think you would have hurt the dog though.
There's the baby hanging in. Corey, you done sledding?
You're over it?
Was that one time good enough for you? I think you guys just went too high. Maybe if you try a little bit lower.
Maybe if you went down with...
Vintage. Who has those? Yeah, those are ours. Wow. I can remember those from Indiana where I...
Here comes Corinne.
Whoa. Nice. Almost took out your sister.
Here comes Megan and Cora. Oh, Molly's stepping off, huh? He just likes to follow.
Nice.
Comes Aunt Megan and Adri.
Yes, I do. What are you gonna do?
Put it down his pants.
No, we're getting Daddy.
It's lunchtime. Cora, you ate my snowman's nose. Here's me and Nate going down the slide, or the sled. Here, hold on, Nate. Hold the camera. Can you hold it? Put your finger on it. Here we go. Put your feet in. Put that up so we can see us go down. Okay, ready? You got it?
Aim it this way, right?
Oh yeah, you got it recorded. Okay, put your feet in. Alright, Colin, we're coming down.
That is Colin. He is running away from the sled. And that is Adrian and John.
I'll take her.
Carrying
Are you going down with her?
sleigh.
Okay, ready? Here we go.
And this is Bobby. And this is what it looks like when it goes down. And this is the old tree.
Right.
That looks like there's a hole.
Watch out, Corinne. Corinne.
I saw some fear of God in there.
That's what you got.
Cold?
We inherited these ones from Megan's digging us out. There's her and James. Got the tow truck. And now we got some friends helping out. To go check on the kids.
No, just hook on. Would you shoot both of them?
See what the kids are up to in here. What are you guys doing in here? Oh, the baby's trying to sleep. They're hiding from me. I see Jocelyn in there. Those are pals. Help get James out. Tell me about the truck being stuck, guys. What happened?
They got stuck and they went the wrong way.
They went the wrong way. Really? Don't follow so close, that makes me nervous.
I wanted to kill them.
We tried to run over the snowman, didn't we?
Yeah. Oh, he's so slow.
It was a
We're
snowball.
winning! I didn't finish
We're
line!
beating them! We are beating them!
I didn't finish line!
Oh, here goes John again, getting a little sideways.
They're gonna pass us!
Aren't you glad you're driving, not me? Isn't that fun for you?
I thought it would be
You
fun
got
to do.
beat!
Oh, good.
We can beat it!
It's your birthday. I want you to have fun, you know?
I'm having fun as a passenger.
Yeah, we
Colin, can you touch your tongue to your nose?
Adrian's just sleeping, so just rocking the baby to sleep.